The importance of financial planning. The term financial planning doesn't sound as nice as the word money, isn't it? Well, it may not sound nice, but it is easy, and if you understand this, life gets magical. So, today we will talk about financial planning, uske various aspects and steps, and why it is so important. Let us begin with an example. जब हम स्कूल में थे, we used to save pocket money so that we could eat our favorite dishes from the school canteen. लेकिन हमारे पेरेंट्स they always packed a tiffin so that हम जंक फूड के ऊपर पैसा बर्बाद ना करें. अगर हम वो एडिशनल पैसे बचाकर जमा करते तो उन पैसों से we would buy our favorite colors and pens that we were eyeing. पर अगर हम वो पैसे खर्च कर देते तो वो पेरेंट्स would not buy the same things for us to discourage overspending since a young age. In fact, had you saved that additional money that you got when your relatives visited you on different occasions and put it in a piggy bank, imagine कि आप 18 साल के हो जाते तो आपका कॉर्पस कितना बड़ा हो जाता. We never understood it, but we do now, don't we? आपकी इनकम थी आपका पॉकेट मनी and the expense was कैंटीन में खाने का खर्चा and the saved pocket money was your savings. Do you think it is wise to spend all your money on canteen food just because आपके पास पॉकेट मनी सेव्ड है? ना. इसलिए फाइनेंशियल प्लानिंग बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है फॉर एवरीबॉडी. आइडियली वी स्टार्ट अर्निंग, वी हैव इनकम, सेविंग्स एंड एक्सपेंसेस. बट आपकी इनकम, आपकी सेविंग्स और आपके एक्सपेंसेस के साथ 3 थिंग्स आर वेरी क्रूशियल. फर्स्ट, योर इन्वेस्टमेंट्स टू ग्रो योर वेल्थ ओवर टाइम एंड बीट इन्फ्लेशन. सेकेंड, insurance so that you are financially protected from heavy expenses in an event of an emergency. And third, a retirement plan for your far future so that you are financially taken care of. पर financial planning important क्यों है? Let's take an example. चलो मान लो that you just got your first job and you want to buy a bike or a scooter. You make 30,000 rupees per month and the bike you want costs 80,000 rupees. But you can't add a large expense to your monthly expenditure. Ideally, you can apply for a loan. So let's say आपने 3 महीने तक 10,000 रुपए बचाए और 30,000 का एक बफर बनाया. अब you got a loan from the bank. 2-wheeler का पोजीशन लिया और इंस्टॉलमेंट पे करना शुरू कर दिया. Since you bought a vehicle, you also bought an insurance. And here's how financial planning worked in this case. Step number 1. You saved 30,000 so that your bank payments would not be impacted by your monthly expenses. Step number 2, आपने 80,000 रुपए एक planned manner में spend किए. Step number 3, आपने ensure किया कि steady income बनी रहे until the loan is paid off. Step number 4, you insured your vehicle to prevent a financial setback. This was one example. आप stocks, commodities, bonds, maybe derivatives में भी invest कर सकते हैं to increase your wealth. You can reap benefits from various long-term investments, especially in the later stages of life. Which brings us to the final chapter of financial planning, which is आपके retirement plans. अगर आप retirement की planning कर रहे हैं तो कुछ bonds, commodities और SIPs में invest कर सकते हैं. This is because you would have to sustain yourself without a direct source of income. With the magic of financial planning, life is easy and tension-free. So make sure you do not forget to plan your finances.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.